touch my skin. Am I real? Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? Cause I only felt alive with him. I'm driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive, when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can break no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightness shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Why did darkness come? Why did darkness come? Break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up.
Hey chat, what is going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked in for it. It's gonna be a action-packed day with a few little Easter eggs for you guys. Chris, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing well, my bro. Just ready to pounce on these.
You know, in my head, I was like, I wonder how long it's gonna take till the specialists to play with.
I'm gonna play Chad.
Oh, guys, for those that have been here, even in the days of the old office, I think you guys will know how long Chris was waiting to have all these little action sound buttons. And so he's like a kid in a Christmas.
Chad, but my favorite one, Keys, I just want to let you know. Chad, we got it, baby. It's here.
All right, guys. So you're gonna hear a few little things going off every now and again. It is a new part of the family, part of the stream. It's gonna be working overtime over there with Chris behind it.
It might, yeah. Chad, I'm gonna be honest. The first stream, just bear with me. We're gonna play a little bit with it, but we'll find our groove. We'll find our groove.
Yeah, exactly, guys. But as always, before we get into the good stuff, before we talk charts, before we talk fundamentals and what myself and Chris are looking at, as always, we're going to open these charts up with a prayer. So, Chris, do you mind doing us that favor, brother?
Keeks, I will. Chad, let's just get this softer here. Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for bringing all of us here together as we're going to trade these markets. We pray for your hand of blessing. We pray that you will guide us, lead us, and we also pray for wisdom and insight. We pray that everything we do here will bring glory to your name. Thank you for each and every member here. Thank you for each and every viewer. And thank you that you say in your word that you shall supply our every need according to your riches and glory. And thank you for another day. We pray that you will be with us through this session. And we ask this not because we deserve it, but because of your grace and your mercies that are new every single day. And if you believe that, Chad, you can give us a big amen in the chat.
Amen. There we have it, guys. So let's get this ball rolling. Let's get into it. So as always, starting us off with the fundamental chat. Today, again, this is going to be a very big volume-packed week. So we're going to be starting it off today at 4 o'clock, consumer confidence and JOLTS job openings. Two big ones ahead of this week's NFP on Friday. So definitely go look at what these numbers come out as. They're going to be quite a crucial thing here for us this week. But definitely going to expect some volume coming out here. So that's the main event for this session. So we might be in the cracker. Hopefully we'll be out of the cracker by that time. We're going to see what happens there. So let's take it to the charts. Now very DXY. We mentioned this yesterday, and I said to the guys, very good chance. We want to still be looking bullish, and that's exactly what we were doing. We stayed bullish. The idea of this move, basically making a bottom wick, turning bullish to retest this level. Did pull back, but again, still closing bullish for us. So again, today basically opened up a little bit of a gap down, I think it was, but holding that level of support and then starting to run with it. So there we go. We can actually see big move to the downside, pulling us back nicely, and then the move back up. So we can see that gap, as we always talk about, immediate trying to go for that closure, and now the move having that continuation. Again, knowing there is some news coming out today, so we just want to be very vigilant of that. But when we look here again, you have that nice move holding this level, going back for that Asia low retest, coming back through now, breaking Asia highs, holding the EQ, the daily pivot, and then that absolute run, hitting that daily key level again, previous daily highs and previous weekly high. Now what I love about this is there's two things which should make this very simple for us. Is above this previous daily high and previous weekly high, if DXY and this dollar news comes out bearish and we get a move back underneath this daily R1 and this previous daily high and weekly high, I'm going to say probably for the rest of the day we're going to see a bearish dollar. But if we get a positive news and we even hold above here, whether the fact even that the news possibly is mixed and we have a move down but then pull back, as long as we then trade finding support above this, then I'm going to say this thing's going to go bullish, and daily R2, weekly R1 is definitely on the card. So we're going to keep an eye out for that. Going over to NASDAQ, very simple. Yeah, we spoke about this. We dove quite a bit into it on Sunday night with a prep call with the guys for NASDAQ, what we'd expect here, and the guys, if they were there, if they attend those calls, those guys should all be eating right now. Things going exactly to plan over there. So we obviously have the move now on the day, and even yesterday we already gave you guys a little bit of a hint there, saying that we were neutral on the week, staying bearish on the daily. So we did have that little run, now coming all the way back down. This morning, again, same thing. We've seen that move, basically trying to range your fake out to the low side, making the Asia low, coming back up to sweep the highs, and then bring it back into the range, failing there, coming down here. So if this thing can get underneath this previous daily lows, we're going to go for those Asia lows that remain untested, taking this level of support, and if that can break and turn into resistance, we can see quite a little bit of a fall in NASDAQ. Otherwise, this thing needs to get back above Asia highs, and personally for me, once it can hit this daily pivot, that's going to be the zone, also being the high of the day. So if it can break through that, we'll look for the aggressive buy, I think depending on what the news is going to be. Otherwise, we're going to see the sell off coming in there. US 30, again, same thing. We were neutral with the daily still being bearish. Almost a very identical setup to what I'd want on NASDAQ. So coming out very cleanly there for us. The big move over here. This yellow block, a very crucial area we wanted to see traded into. We got that obviously with this massive gap opening up, trading into it, hitting this next level of resistance, the weekly pivot, and trading away. Guys that know, we always talk about this. If you know, when we talk about a weekly pivot, there's two things we want to see, and obviously this one has obviously ticked that box already for us. Now trading all the way back down. The fact we are coming down with this amount of momentum, probability will normally tell me, again, we have a gap to fill, we've got a lot of momentum, we've got a volume filled day, we can't see us go for that gap fill. So that's personally what I'm going to be looking for over there, just with how I approach these charts. You've already got your Asia lows, highs, sweep of the highs, holding underneath the EQ, taking Asia lows, and now they move to the downside. Daily S1, if this holds as resistance, you obviously know where we are going to be going after that. Then gold, again, very quite locked in here. We obviously said we're staying bullish. It is very hard to go bearish when this is literally what the market looks like in the last few weeks, guys. I don't know when last you can think about that. For anyone since July, if you've been selling gold, I feel very, very sorry for you, because it must be a very painful few months you've had. But looking at this now, again, bullish momentum, taking it. We are approaching those all-time highs. We fell very, very short. But I think anyone that's been on this channel, that's been around long enough, you guys should know exactly what we're looking for. And in general, anyone that's been around, even if you're in the free Discord, you guys should kind of know what that is setting up for right over there. So that should be a good one to see that play out. And then on the 15, very, very simple. Yeah, let me just get away from that thing again. On the 15, this little range, so the guys know if we break above this with a nice little hold or something, I'm definitely going to go for it, to not only buy here and then see that aggressive punch through those all-time highs. Again, if it does obviously reject all-time highs, this thing can come down very, very aggressively, but we want to be looking for that move to the top side, so just keep our eyes out on that. But that is pretty much everything from our side, guys. Chris, what you looking at, brother?
Keeks, really appreciate it, my brother. Let me just get over to my screen here. Oh, sorry, man. I don't know what chat.
Oh, guys, I feel like I just won an award there.
Okay, Keeks, beautiful. Chad, straight into the dollar. Dollar index was showing us. Okay, this crowd needs to chill. Okay. Yes, that crowd was intense. We need to shorten that one up. All right, dollar index. I was bearish on the day. I wanted us to come down to fill this range, but now we're breaking above that previous daily high. So two things for me. Very important now is, can we sustain this move above the previous daily high? If we can, this is going to be somewhat of a trending day. Economic calendar already showed us like data is looking relatively strong with our housing price index. So that's showing that inflationary pressures are still at bay. Then also if we go to Fed futures, Chad, I just want to quickly go here. It's been a minute since we've checked the Fed futures. Yeah, you can see now all of that is just bolstering that lower rate cut for November. December now still also expecting a 0.25, so still relatively relatively straightforward with what we're expecting for November. I think it now goes to what we're expecting in Jan, guys. Now Jan all of a sudden is becoming a thing. You can see it's now 50-50 between a 0.25 and actually keeping rates steady. All right, so now it's a case of just two cuts this year, starting off the year January 29th with no cut. All right, so now we're going to start with that forward looking where we will be in 3 to 6 months time. Okay, so very simple for me. Also the previous weekly highs, so we've got it very, very simple here. We don't have to overcomplicate anything. There's your previous weekly high, there's your previous daily high, there's your daily R1. So as long as we hold above this gray block, that is going to signal bullish momentum to continue. Breaks back below and we can see quite a nice deep pullback back to this daily pivot. Otherwise a trending day for the dollar. US30, as mentioned, daily for me, I was bullish on the day with the idea that if we can hold above there. Actually, no, sorry, I'm talking nonsense, Chad. I was neutral. I was neutral based off the fact that this was an inside day. We closed inside the previous daily high and lows, so we haven't broken any highs or lows yet. So now my thing is I'm going to monitor for today. I'm going to monitor yesterday's low and yesterday's high. That's going to give me a good indication of where price wants to go. US30 already below the daily S1, so that's the one level. If bulls give that level up, the bears are going to absolutely maul the bulls. And then the last line of defense for the bulls is going to be right here at the previous daily low. So these two lines here, that's where we're going to focus. And then NASDAQ, very simple, daily for me. Also, I was actually bearish, all right? These things don't change, but bearish with the idea that if we break this low, we can come back into this range. Otherwise, the daily needs to close above this gray box, all right? Let's just check the 5 quickly. the 5 at the previous daily low. There's that gray box. So this is going to be our line of defense for the bulls. And then gold real quick. There's your zone. Nothing to say here. After that, this is going to be your zone. Anything above that's going to be super bullish, and you're going to see gold run. If it breaks above, comes back below, that's going to be somewhat of a fake out. What it is, the headphones feel like it's choking me now today. GU, like I said, very messy on the daily. Also, previous daily candle taking the highs and the lows. And now there's that key level we spoke about earlier today. There was a little fake out, now rejecting, now back below the weekly pivot. There's your daily pivot. So I'm just going to focus on one setup here. And if I get it, I'm going to take it. Potential short here today on GU to target those Asia lows that are taken. Unless we start trading above the Asia highs. Otherwise, we're going for Asia lows. All right. GBPJPY, beautiful price action. I told you guys in the session earlier that I was looking for a mirror image of what we saw here the previous day. That move there, I was looking for that mirror image to happen here to the upside, which we got. And if you were taking some notes here this morning of all of the educational and entertainment content that we give you, you will know that we mentioned if we hold above here, there's all of that liquidity. We can run the previous daily high, and we can go from the weekly R1, from the daily pivot to the daily R1. Again, go exclamation Discord. This is all free. We don't ask money for it. There's some beautiful education for you guys. But then also looking on the daily, this is, what is this gray box? I don't know what that gray box is. Let me just check here. Oh, I think I wanted to do a line here. There you are. Okay, let's quickly check it on the 5. Okay, yeah, there's that daily key level. Also your daily R1. So now, 2 levels to consider. Previous daily high, and then we need to consider this little zone here.
Sorry, Chris, just a little quick one, guys. Pure the new strat I'm doing, it's obviously an R&D trade. That's obviously, as I say, that is just a new little strat we are busy testing. So that would be the trade, yeah. At the point now, we'd like to see it run to a 1 to 2. But please keep in mind, guys, this is just the R&D trade. Obviously, we are doing this just to journal those and see how these trades are running. But yeah, as we say, we are locked in for the cracker. Sorry, Chris.
Okay, thanks, Keeks. All right, Chad. GJ, daily R1. So these 2 zones we're going to monitor. So if we reject that daily R1, we could come back all the way down to the daily pivot. Also Asia highs. But for the most part, the only clean setup here for me is GU. And then obviously what the cracker is going to do, Keeks. But that really appreciate
yeah, guys, so obviously mentioned earlier, do you like the sells on US30, and the cracker wants the sells.
No, man.
So,
dude, that candle is like chalked.
No, it's not, bro.
Why is mine chalked?
I'm very happy with what the cracker's looking for.
I don't know, man. Keeks, what is... Oh, no, okay, yeah. So I see it sells.
So we're going to see what happens here on US30. But yeah,
okay,
exciting stuff there.
Okay.
As I say, guys, please, it's just been, again, full transparency. Marking that trade out on gold. It is literally an R&D trade. It's not something I'm taking like on main accounts or things like that. It is just for basically the back testing, just to see all the results of it.
Hey, Chad, I'm still... Yeah, we're going to get some... Chat, let me know. I think it's going to add a little bit. I just want to add like a nice, almost like a bell. Like a bell ringing.
Bell.
What do you
want the bell for?
know for when the market's open? We just need to fun.
Hey, is the man replacing the horn here?
No, we're still gonna do the horn. Let's check if we can find something.
Oh.
No. Oh yeah. Boy.
Yeah. Oh, Rooks, no, we're not talking the horn, bro.
No, that's part of the. That's
if
part
gold
of
breaks automized, I would hold that R&D trade for 4. No, 100%. Can definitely, guys. I actually wanna. I think that thing's getting chalked.
What's
yeah,
that?
it's about to get chalked anyway.
What's that?
The R&D trade.
Oh.
Yeah. So that thing. I mean, it's there. It will do whatever that thing does, but that's purely just for backtesting purposes. I think that's the first loss on that R&D trade now. Put Michael Buffer in there. Who's Michael Buffer?
Fabs, what do you mean we need an air on, my bro? What are you talking about, my brother? We've got the horn. So once we go into the cracker chat, this is gonna be the playlist. This almost sounds like we just need a little synth, like two young men.
Chris is ready for it.
It's going for a young cracker.
Oh, Michael Buffer. Okay, I'm with you now. I'm with you.
Oh yeah. We can get some like sounds there, Chad. Alrighty, Kicks. I'm just gonna go P for TP.
Alright, my brother. Bring that liquidity for us.
Cracker is doing what we discussed. Remember what we said?
Yeah, bro.
What we want to solve.
It's I like it.
I like it. It's what we something we discussed after.
Nah, I'm happy with it. I like the cells here. I see Chris breaking some eardrums with that, bro. You should have been here when the man was testing this thing. Like, yes, we nearly chalked our ears like 5 times. That was brutal. Because you guys forget, obviously, so when we have all the sound and everything running, the feedback through our ears, it's actually quite turned down. So when this man did this and these sounds load in, they had like full blast. These things absolutely pumped our ears. Is the R&D out? It's there, it's snuffing. Yeah, it's still snuffing here on my side as well, so it is still in. But as I said, I'm not focused on that, guys. That is purely back testing. It's the same thing I always say to you guys with US study. If folks don't believe us, every trade we take stays in the books. Obviously, yesterday we took a break even, so I took that one out. But every trade stays in the books. So it's very simple. When I'm journaling the trades, I can go onto the pair and go back, and I can see obviously exactly every single trade I take. So yeah, that's the only reason. So it's not a face of if I go to gold 9, you guys are like, Keegs, you're in a trade and you didn't tell us you're in a trade. It's purely for the R&D, for the journeying purposes of it. That's the whole reason. Yeah. Yes, where am I? That I can't even see trades there now. Oh, but I'm on the 15, so you're not going to see it. But yeah, that's purely the reason. What's the,
Why do we keep that paper?
I don't know, bro.
Keep it on. Like, let's see how far we can. How deep
I think it is. Yeah, it's definitely out now. So there is a loss for the R&D trade. So just that you guys are aware what that trade was.
What is your stop on the R&D?
25 pips.
Okay.
Because remember, technically there's also a breakout range. So if it even comes back into that range, it's invalidated already.
No, I agree with you. So who's got the buy stop on all-time highs on gold?
Guys are waiting for that. Guys are waiting for that.
Peter, I honestly, I need to see a couple of. Okay, yeah, this is Peter. Peter, why are you enticing me with? All right, Peter. There has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in between it. So whoa. And the thing is, Keeks, what on the left, that came just shy of it.
Wait, what are we looking at? Gold.
The all-time highs, yeah. And then you've got the all-time highs. So there's a lot of liquidity sitting there.
No, bro. I think that's gonna pump, bro.
Yeah, Peter. What I will say though, for me personally, if we can do some type of range here, some type of consolidation, something that looks like it wants to reject, that's just going to build more liquidity. But yeah, let's focus on.
I'm just saying, Chad, really the first thing I'm noticing here, there was support, resistance, coming back down. So that daily S1 is holding.
So we're looking for sales, my brother.
Yeah, we're looking for sales, brother.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
I didn't press anything there. Was that you?
It just knows it's time.
Yo. Bro, I didn't even press anything. That thing just started on its own there.
Alright, guys. Time to
8
see.
seconds.
The cracker, as you said, technically was a W yesterday. Let's see if that trend continues. Round 4. Markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's see ya, Chad.
Oh. Lacquer one would be lacquer today, my bro. Alright. Chat, so if we get a 1 minute, I just want to show the guys what me and Keegan. If we technically get a 1 minute break above here. Sorry, man, I'm just gonna. If we get a 1 minute closing bullish above here, that's when we're gonna execute. Just because I know sometimes the stream lags, and you shouldn't be doing any of this, but I'm just letting you know.
Yeah, Chad, we not in there.
We the only way we can get in is if we get a bullish candle above that little block there. So while it breaks down, yeah, no bueno, no trade-o.
Yeah, just a heads up, Chad, we on it. If you are, because I know some of you guys, the minute we said to sell, you guys are in those trades. But yeah, we are not in yet. The guys who entered, I think you guys already hit some TP, or you guys are close to TP already. You gonna enter here, bro? That's quite a punch out.
Would you on that first punch back? That is valid though.
Yeah. Yeah, that is valid.
Like if it closes bullish now.
Thanks, Keys. Locked my profits. I know you guys.
Like now, this is now if it closes bullish. Yeah, chat. Oof. Previous daily low.
No, this one's... The daily S1 is still there, so...
Oi.
Yeah, this is going to be aggressive.
Oi. Okay. Just bro, the thing is though, was that the liquidity sweep on the previous daily low? But yeah, mechanicals, all mechanics here.
Get your wrenches ready. I'm in,
in.
Chad.
All right.
I'm in. I hope those wrenches they're ready to beat someone if they need to be, Chad.
Firecracker selling into a bullish 1 minute engulfing after taking a previous daily low. No, I'm
The
all for
cracker's
the.
not scared, bro.
I'm all for the crack. I just mean like mentally, it makes absolutely no sense.
The cracker is not scared at all, bro. Just get those wrenches ready, guys. I'm gonna blixum this thing if it comes back up. Wait, hold on. How far are we, bro?
No, it's still not. I'm not on 40 yet.
Yo, bro, we sniffed 40.
Yeah.
We like sniffed it.
Oh. The cracker's the only thing that can really.
If you just see in there, Chad. So that there, if it crosses this line, that is half risk. Come on, cracker. Bring it home, cracker. Sheesh.
Chad,
Come on, cracker. There we go.
That is all.
Half risk, Chad. Half risk.
Can we get it? Can we get it? There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
So you're scaring it a bit there, bro.
Just, where's 50 though? Because that's where I go break even. 50, very close, very close. Dude, I think it's so close. I'm gonna go break even, Chad. Yeah.
Chad, I'm actually not gonna take my TP is not set there. I just want to see what's gonna happen. This might be a mistake on my side.
No, if I get my TP, I'm out of your.
But yeah, that is break even, not Chad.
That is. No,
that was 50.
No, I almost want to like just take.
I just want to see, guys, because literally where TP
topic
is.
on this 1 minute. I hate that. Oh.
There's your.
Ah! Bro, that thing was literally at our TP.
Yeah, but that's my thing, bro. Where it is there, you back on that previous daily low. So my thing is, if this thing can get under that, it can run. But we're literally gonna monitor if it gets there. But it's break even now anyway,
Yeah.
Chad.
Okay, Chad, break evens. Come on.
Have faith in it, bro.
Come on. I've got faith in it, my bro. 100%. I just want to get out, my bro. I just want to get out of it with the profits. Go punch it. Punch it now. Punch now. Chad.
Guys, the way Chris is
So-
going on here, it's like the crackers, like one of his Pokemon.
But check here, Keeks. Here's the thing, though. You cannot deny this.
No, I know what you are.
Yeah, check. You cannot deny that. Like that holding there. That's my only concern. After taking this liquidity, previous daily low, that liquidity being taken, that shift there. So that's the only thing I don't like. But if we can get through that level, I think we're good. Like we are now, go. If we hold another candle above here, even if it's bearish, I'm just taking full profits. I'm not gonna walk away with nothing here. If it closes above there, wait, okay, still below, wait, okay, there it punches it. Chad,
Hey, Chad.
you guys know. Chad,
Sheesh.
Keeks, you know what it is. Oh, baby.
Come on, Chad, baby. Come on, Chad.
Oh, Chad. Keeks. Well played, my brother. What the heck? Alrighty.
Chad, we still in here.
Chad.
We're gonna aim for down there. It's all depending how this candle closes, guys, is if I kill this trade or not.
For everyone that partakes in this education, this is just for you guys. Alright. Bro, I hope we're not...
Chad, I killed it. Can run over there, but the fact it closed on the thing, I killed it over there. So that is still 65 pips. We got an extra 5 pips out of it. But there we go. The cracker going 2 for 2 this week to start off strong.
Keeks, I hope we're not weird like our boy Elon.
Woo!
Dude, Elon, I still love the dude, but
He's a bit weird, bro.
he's a little bit quirky.
Nah, he's...
Yo, that man. Guys, just love this energy. I'm like, dude, Elon, what are you on, my bro?
Check gold.
Don't tell me it's already. Oh,
it's just
some
like-
guys got spiked out here. Oh, wait, it's still the 1 minute.
I'm happy though, guys. 65 there. The cracker doing what crackers do. Yeah, dark God.
It's like, I'm like, Elon, no, dude, stop this madness. My boy Elon, I'm like, stop it, no, dude. Elon, we don't need all of that rigmarole you're busy with. Elon busy with some rigmarole, Keeks.
Bro, and you gotta see now, the quick pippers and dippers are gonna jump off. They're like, guys, thank you for TP again. We're gonna see you tomorrow, same place, same time. Hey, these guys.
Beautiful. Yeah, gold, I think if you had a buy stop there, Chad. Ain't ouch. When is that data coming out? 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. There's wait, let me just see where we are on the screen. Chad, there's that dollar index. There's that level we spoke about, and then US 30. Very tricky here with that previous daily low here. That's what I mentioned here. The previous daily low, if we can hold above it after taking the lows, things can get a little bit spicy here. NASDAQ just dying away from Asia highs, that 5 minutes on the 200, also breaking below that previous daily low. Gold, I'm definitely going to consider something above here out of this zone. And then GU, Chad, it's setting up beautifully here. I'm literally waiting for the shuffle, that 15 minute. There's your weekly pivot. If we get a nice minor break here, my advantage point is Asia lows being untested. Okay. How many pips are there? I'm going to go for a young 10. All right, that's about 10. Yeah, beautiful. That could be a very nice trade. So if this 5 minute closes like this, below here, I'm more than happy to execute. And yeah, we're gonna see how GU plays. We're gonna see how she plays. Absolutely flawless week so far, kids. We're 4 for 4. Two on the cracker, 2 on London. Actually 5 out of 5. Actually 6 out of 6, because some of the trade ideas we shared we didn't take because we already took a win. So if you were Chad, if you partake of the entertainment here, if thou are partaking of thine entertainment and education, thine is 6 out of 6, according to the new trading Bible.
Ah, bro, that's some big stuff. No, first trade ran 50 pips, took me out. Pretty second, I closed at 55 pips. I'm in for news to see direction on gold. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I don't like, Chad, if there's no build up at that level. There needs to be some type of build up.
I got out at 70 pepperonskis. The pippers and dippers.
Papalonia. Bro, is this Taylor Swift on NCS?
I don't know who this
Bro,
is, bro.
this
I don't know.
sounds like
I thought you
Taylor
guys just
Swift.
had some other vibes in London session that you're bringing over here now.
Nah, bro, this is just
Chris,
is Timo version of Taylor Swift.
Chris is low-key a Swifty, guys. He rocks out there in the car with his daughter.
Elon, my bro. That's when you've clocked the game, Chad. It's like people we know and people around us. It's like, I want to be rich, and then it's like you're the richest man in the world,
Bro,
it's
let
like
me just go make a quick 26 billion today.
Bro, that is like, what do you compare yourself to? Like, you can't, like, you hear what I'm saying? There's like guys in our town that's pretty rich that I know some pretty rich people, and everyone's just striving to like, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? And that man's just like, sorry guys, I clocked the game. I've beaten the game, so I'm going to build a new game on Mars. I'm going to take all of my shit there. And yeah, that is literally what I'll be doing. So I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Yeah, I'm just going to use all of my money, develop something to get us to Mars, and then I'm just going to colonize Mars. Chad, I'm just waiting for a nice little top wick here, and then I will be...
There goes that gold move.
Oh, if there's no top wick here, I can't partake in our trade. I cannot. That is not possible for me to partake in this. Alright.
Lesson: Taylor Swift equals profits. There you go. Kig's the killer of New York Open. Hey, we try here, bro. We try.
Chad, we're just waiting for Plamena. Plamena.
Hey, bro, you know she's not there now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your co-pilot speaking, and I'm here with my captain, Keegan van Dijk. Can we please just ask Plamena to report to the flight deck? We just want to chat to you. Plamena, please just proceed to the flight deck. Aerostasis, can you please just help Plamena out of the seat? And Plamena, just as you come, any hate, any negative comments, we please just leave that under your seat. The aerostasis will dispose of them. We thank you. Chad, sit back, enjoy this flight. 2Gs, as we're about to take off. See you guys very shortly for updates.
Sibasiso, yeah, we've been doing 9:30 since yesterday. So yeah, it will be 9:30 tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Plamena, please just report to the flight deck. Aerostasis, please do a cross check and lock all doors as we are ready for takeoff. Nah, man, we love Plamena. We love that banter.
Again, it's just as we always say, guys. Those haters are always near when you're losing. The minute you're winning, they are somehow very, very busy at that time. Nowhere to be seen then.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final boarding call. Plamena, please proceed to gate G2. Plamena, please proceed to gate G2. And please have your passport and your ID ready, as we are ready to take off. Thank you very much. Why is this thing so loose, my bro?
It's your mic, bro. And yes, Plamena. Bro, hold on. Wait. You know what just clicked in my head?
What? She said a birdie, so she's part of a community. Is that what
Plamena is a troll in the group.
in our
So,
group?
no. So they're clearly someone that's on the chat.
Okay.
And then they go to a second account to come as Plamena.
Okay.
Because every time it takes a while for it to rock up when you talk about it.
So it's like she logs in first. Aware. Plamena. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Plamena here at the flight desk. We are just stamping her passport for TP Town that was hit. Plamena, we just want to thank you for joining us here. Thank you so much.
That's what I think, bro.
Here's the thing, we've got some IT snipers in the chat. We already, I don't want to disclose too much, but yeah, it takes a week or two, but yeah, you better know. It's very easy these days to find people.
Austin, the thing is, this man. It might look like a 2-liter, bro, but it's actually a 5-liter bottle.
Who says it's 2 liter?
Austin's like, because a 2-liter water bottle's big enough.
How does he think it's a 2 liter?
That's a 5-liter jug there, bro.
This is a young 5-ski. Where's the camera? A young little 5-ski. Quite a big man. Just for some context. You know what they say about guys with big feet, Keegs?
What's this now?
They wear big Crocs.
I was going with they have big socks.
Oi, socks, Crocs.
They wear the Crocs with
As
the
long
socks.
as it's not about the... Peter, no, I've given up on the orb, my bro. I told after that one backtesting session I had with the members, it's too. Here's my thing. I like a consistent type of entry, and for me, there's too much discretion in the orb. So I don't know if I'm missing something. Ooh, I missed gold, Chad. I missed gold. That was my idea. I missed it. I missed it. Flip sakes. That was easy. No, but I think it was one of those teleportation moves. Yeah, no.
Obviously, guys, this is that open range trade if you get that close there, but yeah, we're not too fond of it as of late.
Peter, I don't know if you've got a strat for us to share. We can get you on a call with us, but for me, the orb, there's two. Yeah, I don't dig it. I don't dig it.
Wait, hold on. To be fair, I did help deliver a package to Plamena once.
Who said that?
Ed.
Hey. I wouldn't be surprised if Flamengo's from the FCA, but the FSCA actually, FSCA, yeah, they don't talk like that. I was in 2 meetings with the FSCA. It's very serious business when you're in a meeting with them, Chad. I'm not gonna lie. It's got a little bit of a... Everyone talks in circles. It's like, I just shot straight. I'm like, hey, Listening on WhatsApp. A, B, C, D, E, F. Which one? Everyone's like talking like, oh, yeah.
Are you finding me or not?
It's like, no. I'm like, what is it? All right. Is that what you guys need? Beautiful. Let's do it. I don't know, bro. It's weird. I think because of their power, maybe I was just ignorant in that meeting that I shared, but I'm like, dude, just talk straight. Like, what is it? Should this change? Okay, this changes. Beautiful. Not like, no, what if we direct it and we pivot a little bit away from this? And I'm like, what are you saying? What like what are we talking in code here? Why is everyone talking in code? A lot of times in live chat, a lot of things will be solved by just asking. You don't have to be weird. Just ask straight. Like, hey, boom, need help, or hey, listen here. Should I do it this way?
Chris, you want to buy me a pink Bugatti, bro?
Huh?
You want to buy me a pink Bugatti?
I will.
There we go. See, Chad, it's as easy as that. Ed needs to spill the beans. You want more info?
What if Ed is Plamena?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. That has been a thought for me.
What if Ed is Plamena?
Yeah, it's a test. All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. When we count down, I want Plamena and Ed to send a message at the same time.
Whoa! Okay, countdown.
All right. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Ed, Plamena, where you at?
Where
you at?
Again. Caught in the act. In the act.
Yeah, that was delayed, guys. That was delayed.
No. Oh, no.
Wait. Hold on. Ed's sitting in front of a PC. You can sign it on the PC and he can sign it on his phone.
Wait. But here's the thing, though. Who the flip would create this channel? 2008. This channel is old, my dude.
But the name can be changed.
No, I know, but bro, like you've got a channel from 2008. I don't even think Ed knew about YouTube in 2008. Chad, yes, this Plamena, and it's like, yeah, dude, I don't know.
We're good.
Yes, Ed.
Yes, Ed, Chad. All right.
Who do you rate it is it you? Be honest. Yeah, be honest. Right, let's
All right, we got the links here. Brian, where you at? Come to the front desk, please.
Brian, please, my brother. Where is Brian? Brian has got the beans, Chad.
Brian's got the beans here for us.
Brian, please bring the beans to the front.
Oh, Ed. There we go.
Brian, send us some handles there. Brian, send us some social handles. Chad, we don't have any hate for Plamena. But yeah. Nano King Sharks from Namibia, I think.
Mozambique.
Mozambique, yeah.
Okay, so all we know, guys. Okay, so in all fairness, Plymena is a real person.
And
Like really is a real person.
and from the UK.
Yeah.
All right. Plymena.
But the
I'm
link-
interested now to see what Plymena. Brian, send me just a photo of Plymena. I just want to see what Plymena. It's such a weird name. It sounds African. You don't expect
So
somebody.
Plymena, are you from South Africa and you moved
No.
overseas?
No. I think Plymena. She's sitting next. Hey, man. She's real. No, she's real. Brian, send me just a photo. I just want to see what this person looks like that was giving us cack all this time. Like, yes, the Plymena has raised the lads. Yeah, I just have to cool them down.
I'm from Bulgaria and moved to the UK. Okay, I didn't see that one came in Bulgaria. Guys, this story, this plot twist keeps on getting thicker and thicker.
Oh, shit, my bro. So, Brian. Okay, Brian.
Wait, I have to see this, bro.
Okay, Brian. So, are you from South Africa?
Brian
Okay.
is from South Africa, but Brian, you traveling at the moment, eh?
All right. It all makes sense when I see the color of Plymena's hair.
What?
I've got a photo, but we can't dox her. We can't.
No, send it to me then. I want to see.
Okay, wait.
I'm quite involved in this, yeah.
This is the person that has been revving you. Plymena means passionate woman, according to. Now I can see that that hair tells me everything. Chad.
Okay.
It makes sense now. Check the hair color. Now you know, my bro.
All right.
Play a sound effect to rate. If I have to, okay, yes, no, Chad. I'm not. No, you guys are just setting up a trap for me. Yeah, no, Chad. I'm not gonna.
Guys, this.
No, I'm not gonna set myself up here.
Yo, guys.
I'm not gonna. Okay, let's keep it moving. Keys, data. 1 minute. Actually, 4 seconds. Let's see that data. Check gold. Oh, whoa. Okay, gold pump.
I will just say, bro, I never saw the story turning out this way.
Jolts. Look at that.
Oh,
GU. Yo, Chad.
What
Bad
did that
data.
talk about this?
Bad data.
Oof, bro, jolts. Ooh. It's Plymena single.
Keys, here's the thing. The data was bad. Keys, the data. Plymena plot twist. Okay. I thought Plymena was definitely from South Africa.
Wait. Hold on. I know this is delayed at this point in time.
What is that?
Brian, so are you an RCT trader?
Oh no. Oh no.
Like, I don't know why that only clicked in my head now. Brian, I swear, but I know Brian. Myself and Brian, we've chatted a few times. Don't you trade like support and resistance as well? I'm a structure trader.
Oh, it's a structure. All about that structure.
All right. So Brian's constructing the markets, and I'm the little mechanical one on the side.
Just dude, the consumer confidence is through the roof. Look at that consumer confidence number. Holy. Did you see it, Keegs?
I was waiting for it. It didn't come out
Check,
yet.
I'm refreshing it, but I saw it on New Squawk. Big shout out to New Squawk. We love you guys. New Squawk. 108 versus 99.5 expected. Holy
Bro, but
moly.
that's quite mixed though, bro.
No, it is mixed.
Consumer
It is
confidence,
mixed.
big jump, and Joel's a big miss.
It is mixed. It is a mix.
Like that's them a big jump and a big miss. Whew.
I must just go pee quickly, Keeks. I will see you shortly. Please stay safe.
Did you guys see the chicken pass in a prop chat? No. Okay, hold on. I watched it. Like I did watch it, but don't tell me it passed. Guys, don't tell me the chicken passed the prop firm. Do you guys see the? That was it. We're gonna have to go with a new plot twist. I saw that made me feel bad about myself. Chicken is now funded. Oh my word, guys. That is crazy. That's absolutely mental. The chicken is live. I don't want to be that person now, Chad. But anyone now who hasn't passed the prop firm, how shit do you feel if the chicken just beat you? Like I'm just sorry, like if that was me, that's my self-esteem in the drain right now. Like that's I'm like, screw this, I'm done. I'm gonna go sit behind a desk. Like I'm done trading. If a chicken can do this and I can't do it, like what the hell? The chicken making us feel I feel cocky. Like shit, and I only just started my challenge. Guys, like I'm not. I've been sitting on phase one without being able to pass. I feel like an egg. Bro, I just said to the guys that like I have to be that person. But for someone, if you haven't passed the prop firm account yet, how cock do you feel now that a chicken could? Oh, bro, that is crazy. Yeah, going back to my 9 to 5.
How's Peter about to lose? I'll be honest, I've been sitting on phase one without being able to pass.
So guys, the moral of the story right now is instead of spending like 16,000 for a mentor, probably spend like 600, 700 bucks and go get yourself a chicken.
I don't even think a chicken is that bro. You buy it for like 20 rand a chick. Like
okay, but then you still have to wait for it to grow up.
Over trading, Chris. Peter, yeah, we actually, me and Keegan had a chat in the week, and I had a chat with the Project G guys, and we've said we've tested quite a bit of theories, and we've tested quite a bit of some ideas to potentially like swing a little bit, and all of it came back to me, and I told Keegs, once I start trading my personal account again and not a prop firm account, it's just back to basics. For the guys that have traded with us, for me, there's very specific things that I want to see. There's very specific things that need to happen. And for instance, this trade here, let me just go here. This GU trade, if I was just like, oh, there's the break, I don't care about a top wick, this or that, then I would have gotten clapped. And I told you guys, I want to see the top wick and then the break. We got the break low first and then the flip. So if you really confine it back to that spreadsheet, and I'm really going to do a video series on it, because the big thing is in this game is if you put size behind your trades, you only need quality. The only reason why we a lot of times put so many trades on the table is because we're not sizing it adequately. And I'm not saying over leveraging, I'm just meaning that if you've got enough size on the market, you don't need 1,000 pips a week. You can do with 20, you can do with 30. Okay, so I'm just letting you guys know.
See, I actually just found out about them today, to be honest. But Stefan, very fair question. Chris, so what happens in that aspect? Does the FSCA find the chicken, or do they find the guy that recorded the chicken?
Is it giving signals though?
What does it still need to buy or sell?
That is very interesting because I don't think they've got jurisdiction to. I think they will. No, they will go against the owner because the owner is facilitating the recording and the processing
That
of the
is
information.
crazy, bro.
So they will. They will go for the owner.
But next best thing, again, on top of that, I just realized, bro, Taryn has a chicken.
No, they didn't start. Don't. That thing shits
Bro.
in it.
Taryn has a chicken. Like we don't have to bring it yet. We can let her choose at home and just tell us in the office what it chose.
Sia, there's only two prop firms we will ever disclose and back, and that is Vault Funder and FTMO. I'm honest when I say that. Those are the only two. Those are the only two, and I'm very honest. And you can say, "Oh, Chris, you biased." No, it's you know what you've got, and so yeah. Honestly, I told Keegan the other day, I'm like, bro, if I'm honestly sitting and I'm thinking as a retail trader, how can you even trust like some of these bigger prop firms? Like some of the stuff I read, some of the stuff I get insights on, and I'm like, dude. These are firms that are like top 5 in the world, and this is the craziness that's going on in the back end.
Guys, again, just to add to that is we've had conversations, and again, I'm not going to name names of the prop firms, I'm not going to name names of the traders, but again, everyone knows it always comes down to the money deal, how much these guys are paying these oaks. And the amount of traders I know who, if I've had to go to them and I was like, hey bro, I know you are with this prop firm, like honest review, yeah, are they legit? If I go there and I start making some payouts, are they going to pay me? That's my number one question, all these type of things. And the guys will turn around and say, hey bro, go rather use this prop firm, go use this prop firm. They promote those guys all over their social media, but they know the shit that happens in the back end, so they'll tell you, their mates, go somewhere else.
Gigs, I don't really want to get involved with this, but the thing with leadership, he got funded at 400k, is now up almost 300k. I want to see how he gets paid out, because being a partner or being directly associated with the owner of the prop firm, you're trading on the prop firm, you're promoting the prop firm. I want to see that payout hit his bank account, where he went on the back end, he processed it with a reference number, it hits his bank account. Otherwise, all of that's bullshit, Chad. That is all bullshit just for marketing. And I don't want to get involved, but the people should ask those type of questions.
Chris, it's 4 million.
No, but I mean his profits that he's running. Like, I want to see that payout. I want to see Comet Capital pay that out with a reference number. Firstly, bro, there's so much fucking smoke and mirrors. First, it's that 1,000 rand to 400k. Now it's the Chad. I'm actually so. Yeah, the FSA needs to start working.
My only thing is, guys, and this was actually a debate Chris and I had previously was, and again, this is, I think, with FSCA, you know what, if they're watching, I think they need to hold the guys accountable, because
no, they have to. It's bullshit,
the
bro.
problem
That
is
bullshit.
The problem is now they were like, oh, okay, cool, this is it. What a lot of guys are doing as a bailout is brokers are bailing these guys out. And Chris and I had this, and Chris's opinion was they won't get it because the guys are not going to put those licenses on the line for these oaks. My opinion was they will, because if they lose those guys, you know, the amount of money they lose that those guys bring in, it's a loss either way. So you kind of like milk it the last bit that you can in case you get caught. So the fact that the brokers are even putting things on the line to keep these guys, to keep their shit up, is for me where I'm like, come on guys, is there literally no morals here?
You know what? You know what? Fuck it. Chad, please tag me. Don't tag me. Send it to me in a DM. All of these guys, all of their profits. I'm gonna stir the shit out of this pot. I'm gonna stir, and then after that, I'm gonna stir Rydell up, and after that, I'm gonna stir Mr. Rolio up, and we're just gonna stir shit with a big old spoon, and you're gonna see some things happen. So, him and all his mates, I think the owner sold his Lambo. Chad, we're gonna stir this pot thick. Keegs, a big spoon, my bro. We're gonna stir this pot like you can't believe. Give me till tomorrow.
Bro,
Give
but
me
you know
till
my thing is
tomorrow.
again, still like guys. Can I at least, for example, just to put things out here, with the FSCA, they made a big statement that they were doing this, and everyone turned their things, and they would like that was kind of the warning shot, because if Oaks didn't change their ways, things like this, so that's when they were going to start coming down on everyone now. And I actually think it's fair to say, because I was watching a video, the same document we got, someone else also had it. So
What document?
the one we had here in the office.
Oh, yeah. No, but what's the name? Shared it with
No, but it's what I said.
Rydell,
And Rolio.
yeah.
Rydell
Both
had it on
of
the
them,
video.
yeah.
Okay, so he put it out.
Yeah, she sent it to.
My biggest thing is you have all these guys taking the piss out of it. And in that document, for example, it states, one of the big boys, if you do not own a broker, if you're not the owner, you need to state it that you are not that owner. Clear as daylight, you have to state you're not the broker. Right now, out of everyone, who is taking the piss out of this more than anyone else? That same trader. And again, clear as daylight where he's in the wrong here.
No, but forget the brokers.
No, I'm just saying, no, that is just a rule, for example, he's broke, and yet he's taking the piss out of it.
This prop firm thing needs to end. That is fucking craziness, what they're doing.
I'm not even saying, guys, again, we've already spoken enough about, funded marketplace. That's another thing.
No, but Comet. Yeah, my thing is Comet here. I want to... Leadership should show me, and all of his mates, if I'm not blocked,
Bro, I
they
can tell you
must
now,
show me.
Joash is probably doing the same thing.
They must show me.
Bro, Joash was blunt enough to show you he did phase 1, phase 2, and live in 2 days.
Yeah, no.
Phase 1 is a minimum 5 days. How the hell did you get phase 1, 2, and live in 2 days?
Yeah. Who's Asbula? Yeah, fake AP. Bro, just wear Apple Watch. So you don't have to... Here's the thing, Chad. You don't have to act rich. The idea is to be rich. There's many rich people that I know and that I've sit with. They don't even look rich. Anyways.
Bro, just for example, the Cape Town trip. I'm not going to say names in case guys don't... Like, the conversations we had there. In the car.
Oh, yeah.
Like, obviously, I'm not going to bring that up now. But, like, those type of... And again, if you look at the way he carries himself, it's not flashy money. It's not brands. It's not...
There is some brands, not crazy brands, but just like your standard.
Yeah, your standard brand. Yeah. There's not Gucci and Louis Vuitton and all of this left, right, and center about it.
Firm finder.
Nah, bro, the heat's gonna come down on these guys. Thanks for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Hey, we'll check you tomorrow, brother.
Nah, bro, some of the stuff these guys do, and it's just like, no. Don't like take the people for a cut.
Bro,
it's just wrong, dude. For me, it's morally, you are just morally, you off the road. It's like, why do you have to? No, I don't know.
Let me just line in the mood. I can see Chris is choosing.
No, Ruben, you know what? You know what? It's not really even about choosing violence. It's just morally. And like I said, for me personally, you want the standard for South African prop firms to be high. And it's not a zero-sum game. It's not a case where we want all of the other prop firms to close down so Vault Funder can do well. It's a case of there needs to be a very good standard. And if you uplift the standard, that just uplifts the consumer confidence. And then all of a sudden, you've got a product that can get widely adopted by everyone. But if you start again with these bullshit tactics and marketing schemes and all of that, then again it's just like, oh no, prop firm industry in SA, it's a scam, it's this, it's that. So yeah, but for that dono,
Yeah. Brian, you guys already closed one investigation today after a few weeks. You guys on a roll. Crush the shit, bro. Hey guys, I'm Neo. What's your thoughts on IFX as a broker? I've never used them.
I've never heard of I've heard of the iPhone, iTrade, but no.
Donvo has a prop firm.
Don't, bro. No ways.
Bro, he's being quiet. How does that man have a prop firm now?
Yeah, Silent J, you're actually right, my brother. You're actually right. Let me not get involved. Let me not waste the energy. But it just fumes me. It just fumes me when, people do. Oh, Hasbula. Oh, yeah, man. Hasbula, you're right. So.
I think, guys, it's so Silent J, like Chris and myself spoke about this as well.
Oh, you're right. No, Silent J.
The same thing, I 100% get with you, but it's the same way of that manipulation. So the same guys that will use God's word and scripture to their benefit to literally screw you over with no good intentions, but to be like, I'm this Christian guy, I will do this, I won't hurt you. And they wouldn't even second guess of putting you on the street. That's where we always talk about it, when guys are using that Christian name and everything in vain in that sense. So that's where it irritates us and gets angered. It's the same way we always talk about how Jesus came to the temple and saw all the marketers and stuff like that and he lost his shit. It's that same type of thing.
Chad, the religion thing for me, like I said, I was very careful to even pray on the streams. And everyone that's been with us for a while, I said the big thing for me is I should never use my religion as a tool to try and manipulate people. That for me is a very sad thing. I can use my religion in my beliefs and my values and everything I do, but that further should instill what I'm trying to be. And I'm not saying I'm perfect, but there's a certain guideline that my religion gives me. And if I try and use my religion to try and take advantage of a certain people's group, because there's a group of people, let's say for instance Christians, if I play into that Christian and people that are Christian would be like, oh, Keegan and Chris is Christian, we can trust them, this, that. Let's say I play into a Muslim community and I do everything, then the Muslim community will be like, I will support Chris, this and that. But for me, it's your religion is a sacred thing, and it's not something you make cheap by the way to now try and go with your own little agenda.
Yeah. Connor and Kyle, this one's for you guys, if those don't know, guys. Oh, and Mr. Hans in the building.
I know.
Oh,
Where?
let me not get involved. 5 minutes later, screw it. Right above Kyle's donor.
Just for those donors, Connor and Kyle, let's go, baby. And then for everyone that's dropped a dono, you know what time it is. We have to do it. Chad. There you go, Chad. Bro, that's my new psych mix. When I wake up in the mornings, I'm just like, I go to the mirror keys and I play that song and I'm like, yay! Yeah, he's a legend. And then my wife is just like, what are you doing? You need to get the kids to school. And I'm like, give me 1 second.
Bro, all he has to do is just to do the chicken dance. Then he can pass a prop challenge. End of the day, you guys are doing so much for the trading community and it doesn't go unnoticed. I can tell you that much. So screw the rest and trade with the best 2Gs. Hey, we really appreciate it, my brother. Like you said, I think that's all that matters at the end of the day.
Yeah, Chad, I think I'm calling it a day, yeah. This could play. Nice little wick fall to the left. There's your previous daily high. But I'm just going to be a legend and walk away here. I'm just going to... And there's also that key level. So,
hey, Brian.
Nice bullish engulfing bottom wick.
I might definitely take you up on that, bro. We always said, especially next year, especially the way things are going. If my man Hammy can be fighting for that championship in red next year, Silverstone is 100% on the cards for me next year.
GBP, gold. Bro, gold is a miss. Gold is a big miss. We said, gave another, oh no. Just keep it moving.
USD is having a breakout. Yeah, we've been watching it. It's exactly turned around. Obviously, we spoke about that's the same place I killed the trade. Was that previous daily low? We said if we didn't close underneath it, very good chance it was going to reverse, and that's exactly what it did. But right now, I think this thing, I wouldn't enter it anyway. That thing is just running. The fact, again, weekly pivot now, previous daily high, this thing can start doing some damage. So yeah, this for me, if you wanted to, a very aggressive entry would be there because you're taking out those highs to expect that run. But yeah, I'm not going to take that. We've had 2 great wins to start off the week. So yeah, that's
All
it.
I'm going to say is 30. Look at the pivot, 200. Minor break of structure, 5, Asia high. Where to next? Daily R1. NASDAQ. Chad, I don't know. Chad, daily pivot. Daily S1. Yeah, I don't know why you guys are still paying for courses and all of that. Exclamation Discord, if you cannot, yeah.
We're just gonna say, guys, again, last week to sign up for Ultimate Trader. Those coaches are coming in hot. It is going to be one for the books. So again, not only just buying your courses, buying your accounts to do the account, but the chance to work with multiple of some of the best coaches in the industry right now. So definitely don't take it for granted, guys.
Just give Stoke
Just give us the Aces in Ace Legend.
Chad, all I'm saying is these pivots, like spend some time, Chad. Go, yeah.
Hey,
Gigs.
awesome, guys. Chris, I think that's the session, bro.
Yeah,
I think
bro.
we can go full screens. My account is bored and ready, just waiting for the boys. Hey, it's going to be a good one, guys. Last bit of announcements coming out this week. So again, just keep your head out for that. Obviously, we will keep you guys updated where we can. And again, obviously, Project G, NFP on Friday, if you guys want to be there for that. We are going to be putting out some big announcements as well, close to the end of this week. We will do some little stuff for NFP as well. But yeah, we're going to finish this year strong, really put it in the bag, but going to be good. And then Chris, any closing remarks from your side, brother?
No, Chad, all I want to say is we started this channel for free. We've given you guys all of the tools here for free for that specific reason. So there's no reason for anyone to not succeed, even if you don't have money to buy a course, whatever. You don't have to. There's so much educational information. You guys know I go by the pivots. I live by the pivots. And you even saw it with Miles, somebody that doesn't even know what the pivots are. And just for him to see the pivots confirming a lot of his trades, I think adds a lot of value to him as well. Adds a lot of confidence to his trades as well. But Chad spent time on it. There's so many of the guys that came back to us saying, guys, since I've used the pivots, I've showed you some of the testimonials. So Chad, it's there. Get your head stuck into the game. Start getting focused. It's almost the end of the year. Don't go in with that mindset. Next year I'll do things differently. Start now already. Get a head start on next year. And Ultimate Trader, a lot of good coaches there as well. So we will see you guys there. Peace and love, baby. Thanks, Geeks.
As always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.